Once upon a time, these thrones stood for justice, wisdom, and unity. Kings and chiefs were fathers to the land, protectors of the weak, guardians of tradition. But today, many thrones have been bought and sold. The crown that once symbolized honor now bows to politicians, greed, and foreign interests. The people's cries are drowned by the sound of wealth changing hands. Instead of standing for their people, many rulers sell their voices during elections. They endorse thieves, silence the truth, and turn palaces into political campaign grounds. They betray the very people they are meant to protect. When injustice reigns, they stay silent. When the people suffer, they look away. Your silence is no longer golden, it is deadly. And your people are counting every moment. But not all have fallen. There are rulers still standing tall. Those who refused bribes. Those who fed their people before feeding themselves. Those who wore their crowns with dignity. Corrupt traditional rulers, your time is running out. The people are waking up. The crowns you misuse will no longer protect you. The thrones built on lies are shaking. We are reclaiming our traditions, not the ones sold to the highest bidder, but the ones rooted in truth, justice, and service. The people are the true owners of the crown. From the cities to the villages, we call out every corrupt crown. This is the people's movement, and no throne will stand against it. The new age is here.